If you've noticed every AI-generated design looking the same, you're not wrong. Most of it comes out as generic AI slop because people aren't using the right system. In this video, I'll show you a Claude design system that produces genuinely beautiful graphics, websites, and visuals that don't scream AI made this, in 5 simple steps anyone can follow. We'll work inside Claude Design. The core problem is that every page Claude generates comes from the same underlying prompts, which is why everything looks identical. The fix is building a proper design system, a set of rules your AI consistently follows, so results stay beautiful and replicable every time. Start by opening Claude, clicking Design in the bottom left. Inside Claude Design, step 1 is building a design system, essentially a rulebook. This works for mobile apps, slides, documents, wireframes, anything. Upload a style reference and Claude can generate matching graphics from a single prompt. To build one, scroll to Design Systems and click Create Design System. This becomes reusable for every future project. You can link a GitHub repo or upload files directly. Say you're working with a burger restaurant client and don't want to manually produce every asset. There's a shortcut. Grab the linked skill that connects Claude to Higgsfield, a tool for generating images and video. Paste it into Claude and hit enter. This wires everything through the CLI automatically once your account is set up. Claude then interviews you to build the ideal system. Your product, the vibe, hero items, anything to avoid, skip cliches always. After some back and forth, you land on a finished system prompt. Mine was for a fictional burger brand called Smash and Grab. Claude researches the palette, checks parameters, and generates a full design pack, logos, imagery, everything. You set this up once and reuse it endlessly. Step 2 is building inside that system. Ask Claude to construct a website using everything from step 1. Add the generated files by browsing and selecting them, or scrape an existing brand's assets using Firecrawl if working with something established. Paste in the brand explainer, click Continue to Generation, and give it about 5 minutes. Claude Fable works best here. Your finished system saves under Projects, fully editable and shareable as a universal brand asset. From there, prompt Claude to build a full website with scroll animations and polish. The output pulls directly from your palette, imagery, and identity. Though remember, this is just a first pass with room to push further. Step 3 moves what you built in Claude Design into Claude Code for deeper customization. It's literally 2 clicks. Remember, Claude Code can do everything design does and more. Design is really just code with extra scaffolding. Click Share, choose Project HTML or Project Archive, export as zip. Open Claude Code, ask it to preview the file locally, select your zip, and your site is live. You can export and share your design system with a team the same way, then tell Claude to reference that system for all future designs. Step 4 is the part most people skip, adding a standout element. Think of it as the signature ornament that makes a design memorable instead of forgettable. I did this using a striking scroll animation that instantly elevated the whole site, built in a single pass with strong assets. Grab the 3D website skill linked below, upload it, and prompt Claude to ask you questions about the animated visual you want, using your brand imagery and style. Claude will ask about style, animation type, whether it loops or scrolls, and clip length. Around 25 seconds works well based on trial and error. A useful trick here is what I call UI sniping, browsing sites like 21saint.dev, Aceternity UI, and ReactBits for polished components, buttons, carousels, shader effects, then asking Claude to recreate that style using your own assets. You can also screenshot a design you like and ask Claude to build something similar within your system. Once generated, review the output, request refinements, and iterate. This step alone can produce genuinely striking professional-grade visuals if you're patient with feedback. Finally, step 5 applies your finished system to any new asset. Inside Claude, select your saved design system or upload a reference PDF, then prompt Claude to build whatever you need: animated sections, marketing graphics, presentation slides, all pulling consistently from the same brand foundation. Ask Claude to refine prompts for cleaner output, keep text minimal, and let visuals carry the message, rather than overloading the viewer. The bigger lesson: strong design rarely happens in one shot. It's about iteration and clear feedback until it clicks. But once your design system is properly built, you can generate virtually anything on brand, quickly and consistently, and that upfront effort pays off every time you create something new.